The sound of letter O.
O.
Sound of letter I.
E.
And when O and I come together, what is the sound of OI?
Oi.
Now read the words.
Oil. Bo. Oil. Boil. Oil. Coil.
S.
Oil. Soil. Oil. Foil. Oil. Tinfoil. Coin. Join. Joint. Point. Ointment. Spoil.
This one. A.
Avoid.
Avoid.
Toilet. Mice.
After.
Hoist. Apple. Noise.
Yes.
Voice. Choice.
Oil.
Oil.
Write down oil. Now write down boil.
Boil. Boil.
Coil.
Coil. Coil.
Soil.
Soil. Soil.
Foil.
Foil.
Tin foil.
Tinfoil. Oil.
Next word, coin.
Coin.
Coin, everyone. Write down coin. Join. Join. Have you written join? Join. Now write down point. Point. Now write down joint. Joint.
Joint. Joint.
Now write down next word, that is ointment.
Ointment.
Very good. Now write down next word, that is spoil.
Spoil.
Spoil. Now write down next word, that is toilet.
The oil is it. The toilet. The oil is it. The
Toilet. Now next word, that is moist.
more oil. The moist. More oil. The
Hoist.
her oil. Stop. Hoist. Her oil. Stop.
Avoid.
Oil. The avoid. Oil.
Yes, now write down next word, that is oink.
Oil. Oink. Oil.
Now write down next word, appoint. Appoint.
Point.
Yes, very good. Now write down appointment. Write down appoint again and then ment. Appointment. Write down.
A point.
Yes.
O.
A.
O. Oil.
T. Point. Ment. Ment. T. Very good. Which word is this?
Appoint.
And this is appointment. Very good. Now write down next word, that is noise.
Oil.
And
Silent.
very good. Noise.
Oil.
And
Silent.
very good. Voice.
Oil. Oil.
And last,
Silent.
very good.
Oil.
Very good. Now write down choice.
Oil.
Choice. Wow, very good.